A lightning bolt strikes a tree, causing it to burst into flames from the inside out. You can see large amounts of toxic foam floating on the surface of the river, creating a surreal and unsettling scene. Thousands of birds can be seen falling out of the sky and crashing into the ground on a street in Mexico. The waterspout in this video is massive, stretching from the ocean all the way up into the clouds. You can see a mud volcano that has erupted in the Devil's Woodyard area of Trinidad and Tobago. This baby elephant was born without a trunk, a rare condition that can make it difficult for elephants to survive in the wild. Thanks for watching. We'll be back soon with more fascinating and inspiring content from around the world.